Hello, in this short video I am going to solve the following problem for you. Prove that the equation xax equals b for the unknown x in a group G has a solution if and only if ab is the square of an element in G. Pause the video at this point and give it a try yourself. Okay, so this problem is an if and only if problem, so I have to prove in both I have to present a proof in both directions. Okay, first, this was the equation given in a group G. First, I assume that this equation has a solution. I prove that AB is the square of an element of the group. Okay, so I would say that let x naught be a solution. What does it mean? It means x naught satisfies this equation. In other words, x naught equals to b. And then I multiply both sides from the left by a. So it becomes x naught equals to ab. But I know the binary operation of every group is associative. So it doesn't matter. So this means that it doesn't matter how I group the elements. I'm not allowed to rearrange them because it is not guaranteed the group is abelian. So this means that here I can group these two together and these two together. So this means that I can write it as ax naught together, ax naught together. So you see I'm respecting the order. ax naught, still it reads ax naught. And on the right hand side I have ab. But then what happens? Ax naught is the same element as ax naught, so it becomes ax naught squared equals to b. So then I am done, because my goal is to show that b is the square of an element of the group. And you see it is. Which element? A, which was given from the beginning, and x naught is a solution of this equation. So b is actually the square of an element of the group G. Now I want to do it the other way around. This time I am assuming that AB is the square of an element. And then I want to show that definitely this equation has a solution. So I would say that let AB be equal to, say, y to the power of 2, where y belongs to G. Yes, we show that the given equation has a solution. Of course, in G. Okay, so I would say that let us open a scratch paper. So let me change my color. So I think in this way. I say that, okay, AB is equal to y squared, and I want to solve this equation. So what I will do, I will start from here, motivated by the first part of the problem, or the method I use for the first part of the problem. I multiply both sides by a. The left hand side I can write it as ax squared equals to ab, but instead of ab now I can put y squared, so it means that ax squared is equal to y squared. Then I can see what to do. If ax becomes y, then I am more or less done. So this is a motivation to find rather than just guess. Okay, so here the solution becomes a inverse y. Okay, so this is good. If you do this in a scratch paper, then you realize what the solution should be, and then you claim it and prove it. Yes, usually in mathematics, mathematicians do like this. They do a lot of scratch paper, refine it, make it, polish it, and make it very nice, and then write it usually upside down, when they want to write something. So we are using the same trick here. Okay, so now AB is y squared. The claim is, and now we can write the claim. Claim A inverse y is a solution. Okay, so if AB is the square of an element, say y, we are claiming that this A inverse multiplied by that y will be a solution. And then it becomes very easy, because just we need to show that if I replace x in my equation with A inverse y, it works. Okay, so the left hand side becomes equal to, instead of x here and there, I put A inverse y, so it becomes A inverse y multiplied by A inverse y, and on the right hand side I will continue to reach to b. Okay, that is easy because it is associative, so in principle I really don't need to put any pairs of brackets, so I will continue A minus 1 y, A minus 1 y. And of course, because of associativity, I can take these together. This becomes the identity group element. So then it becomes what? A inverse y, which is A inverse y squared. But what is y squared? Y squared is nothing except AB. So it becomes A minus 1 AB. And then it becomes A minus 1 AB, which is equal to b, and it is equal to the right hand side. So I just want to emphasize the role of this scratch paper work, which actually gave us a way to understand what to claim and how to prove it. I hope that this video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.